Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals, baked items, smoothies, healthy juices, and some vegan meals too. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle, so check out my videos on healthy lifestyle tips, self-care, home care, jewelry making, and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. Yeah, man. So I've got to replace my low beam light. So here it is, the new one, and we just put that inside the plug in the car. The entrance to the North-South Highway from St. Catherine to Ocho Rios in St. Anne is off the Mandela Highway. Here you collect a card, then you pay later. We're on our way. I enjoy driving out of town because it is so relaxing, but I must admit I find the highways a bit monotonous. I prefer the country roads though, where every part is different and you have the corners and all of that. I do like the convenience of the highway though, because you reach where you're going much quicker and the scenery is so beautiful. You get to experience some beautiful views of Jamaica, of the landscape. I really need to get a phone though, so that I can do better videos. A phone holder. So I just took mainly photos because I didn't think it was safe driving, and I was just going back on the road out of town after a couple of months. So I was a little cautious. I did some longer videos on my way back. So I didn't get to video everything at the retreat because it was just mainly about work. Here we are now. So it was 2 nights and 3 days. So the retreat started on the morning that I went down, and the hotel was very clean with lots of food. It had lots of pools and food was good. And I did a presentation on the second day in auditing, so I did something in that area presentation. Didn't get to go to the beach though, or to the pool, because the mornings were raining and we worked late into each night. So it was packed with tourists though. Here I'm giving a little tour of the hotel grounds. This is just one small part. You have many pools with many areas just like this in the hotel. So this is just one part where I stayed. This was early in the morning where I got up to do my Bible study and meditation. The food was really good. This was lunch. I ate really healthy. I'm so proud of myself. And we got lots of veggies and healthy starches and protein. So I really stuck to my diet. I had some, the ice cream there was really good too. And then this dinner was really, really awesome. Really awesome. I enjoyed it. This was a Jamaican style dinner. And this is a tour of the room itself. It was quite spacious and very clean. Jamaican hotels are usually very clean. And the bathroom was very spacious, and I like that it didn't have a sliding door or a shower curtain. So I love the design. As you can see, it's spotless. I really enjoyed. The bed was comfy. Here we were having the team had dinner on the last night together. on the last day. I was having a meal before I left on my journey home. That's me doing my Instagram thing. So I just put it in there. A semi-rainy day. And we're coming off the highway, North-South Highway, on the way back to St. Catherine from St. Anne. That's Ocho Rios side. So, taking a video so you can see what it's like. This is not the most scenic part, so I'm gonna see if I can pause and come back when it's a little more scenic. Okay, here's a little more scenic. Let's see. The drive wasn't too bad going back. It was pretty good, but it was overcast, so the videos here it's a little sunnier, but the other part it was a little dull, the video, so you don't get to really see the true beauty of the country. This doesn't look anything like what Jamaica looks like in real life. It is so beautiful, so green. So but this is the best we can do. I guess it's the quality of the video based on the phone camera I was using. This is not the actual speed. I just sped up the video a little here because I still wanted you to see the full trip, basically, more or less. But I didn't want to have a long download video. It's a little longer than I wanted to, but I think it's good to show you how, the whole highway looks.
It's the highway 2000 going from St. Anne to Kingston, or you said to St. Catherine, but it's raining now. I'm actually having to stop the live. Let's see what the weather is like. Take that off. I don't want to have anyone's car on it. Sun is shining, but we have a little rain. video of the trip that I went on, but it was raining and the beach was very rough and it was all about work, so we didn't get much time to do anything outside of work. So after work today I went down to the beach, but the sea was so rough because it's raining, so I said let me just do this video then, so at least I have something to show you guys. So I'm gonna start doing more lives and try to be more consistent with my videos. I've put up about 50 cooking videos. It's not gonna be cooking alone, it's gonna be about just not just a healthy lifestyle, but to have a positive attitude, positive outlook on life, positive lifestyle, the things I do to let my life feel complete, because when work is hectic and you have so much to do, you have to have some self-care, you know, things you do to just make life a little more pleasant, less hectic. Understand how to take time for yourself. Little things like I like to take my lunch break. Sometimes I close my office door. I just don't want to be disturbed. I like to take, because there's a time when I used to just work my lunchtime and take late lunches. And one day I decided that I'm just gonna start taking my lunchtime and have my lunch and do something that relaxes me and you know, gets me prepared for the next half of the day. So I find I can put in more in the afternoon, and at the end of the day I'm not so exhausted. So it's a little forgive me if it's a little jerky. I really need to get a camera holder, so I'll make that put that at the top of my list, so the next time I can do more like rotate the camera and stuff even while driving. We have the skies coming out a little bit, but it's still mainly cloudy. I don't know if you enjoy going out for a ride, drive out. This is work, but I still enjoy driving once the car is all set. That's another story. I have a story to tell you guys about all the preparations I had to make for this trip. So gonna pass that truck. I don't want to have it in my video, so I'm gonna find a way to be a little, I have a couple cars passing, so let me just put it on the side. Oh, he knew I was coming. He pulled over. I hope he's okay. Look at that. So I heard that when they started to build the highway, the original highway, there was some issues with the soil or something, because I kept saying why some parts of the highway is so steep, you know, and especially some of the descents just really steep, and you have to be very careful. It is so steep that they have some emergency stop things in the road that are very steep on the side, that if you feel like you're going down too fast you can stop there. So I heard that, I'm not sure, don't quote me on it, but then I heard that because of that they had to find another path. So that's why, you know, some parts of the highway is so steep, so not everyone will be comfortable with it. But I'm gonna stop at some point this video and maybe pick up back another live, but I'm gonna pull over and stop it. So I think I'm gonna stop it right here. This is a nice little place to stop. So I'm gonna save the video too. From country, you buy some pineapple and some melon. I normally don't let them take out what we call the eyes because I like to wash off my pineapple first, but I didn't want to have the trouble of peeling it. So now I will just wash it, take out the eyes, and have some nice pineapple and melon for my weekend.